Now I already made this video, but it didn't record properly. So today's little bit of struggle is this refrigerator here. So we set up this new area, right? We got this enclosed so we can utilize this space. The wife can cook out here. We got a washer and a spinner. You would say washer and dryer in America, but then today's struggle is the refrigerator. The whole bottom area where the bracket would go for the door. The door was falling crooked, and so we took a look at it, and I think I broke it the other day by turning the little. I tried to adjust, and you can see if anybody knows how things work. You can see that the adjustment bolt for adjusting the level is rusted, and that's where the bracket would be mounted. And so this would be mounted on the fridge, and then this would be mounted so the door can be mounted. Well, this whole thing was loose. So we took and looked at it, and the whole bracket is rusted out. And so now I'm going to try to make an effort to switch sides and maybe bolt that bracket on the bottom of the fridge. And if that don't work, then we're going to be in Malai looking to buy a new fridge, which I really don't want to do because I already have a couple other struggles that I haven't mentioned yet. And we're still dealing with the struggle with the water. So, you know, when it rains, it pours. I was just explaining that's like an American sort of idiom or metaphor. You know, when it rains, it pours. When things go wrong, you tend to have a few things go wrong. And I got a few things going wrong right now. But, so we're going to try that. And we just got this whole area set up so everything could be outside and not be affected by the rain. And then as soon as we built this, it hasn't rained since to even test it yet. So it hasn't rained in almost 3 weeks, which is basically drought conditions. It's drought conditions basically, yeah? 3 weeks no rain, it's like drought. Yeah? 3 weeks no rain. It's like a drought situation. El Nino? Okay. It's like warm water in the Pacific, but maybe that's what that is. Maybe it's drawing the water out. Anyways, the weather's beautiful. Have I mentioned that? And there's a beautiful banana heart in the tree over there that I would eat. And you can make a nice salad with that with some coconut milk, and it's got a yummy flavor. And so I gotta try to make the best of everything here. So I told these guys I'm a little frustrated today because I got some issues. Oh, maybe that'll be my next issue, huh? Coconut falling on my head. All right, well, we'll check in tomorrow maybe if we can muster up the energy to do so. Have a great day.